In today's video, I'm going to teach you Klarna app, how to pay off outstanding balance early, 5 minutes. If you want the flexibility of spreading out payments while keeping the option to clear your balance ahead of schedule, the Klarna app makes that straightforward. Start by downloading the Klarna app and shopping directly through it. This ensures you can access Klarna's pay over time options at most stores, even if the retailer doesn't offer Klarna on their website. Once you're in the app, enable notifications and make sure you're signed in on the device you'll use for checkout. That way, everything stays synced and you'll get timely reminders. At checkout, choose Klarna, then select either Pay in 3 or 4 or Financing. Pay in 3 or 4 typically spreads your purchase into equal scheduled installments, while financing offers a longer repayment period with a monthly plan. If your goal is to pay off early, both options can work, but the experience differs. Shorter plans are simple to clear ahead of time, and longer financing plans can usually be paid down early to reduce what you owe over time. Pick the plan that fits your budget and timeline. Next, enter the required information so Klarna can make an instant decision on your payment plan. You'll confirm your details and add a valid payment method. Be sure the card you add has sufficient funds for the first installment or any early payment you plan to make. Klarna will assess eligibility in real time and present your schedule immediately. After you're approved, head into the app to track your payments. Here you'll see your full payment schedule, the remaining balance, and the next due date. This is also where you can update your payment method if a card is expiring or you want to use a different one, which helps automatic payments run smoothly. To pay off your outstanding balance early, open the specific purchase, choose the payment option, and select Pay Early or Make a Payment. You can usually pay the next installment ahead of time or clear the entire remaining balance in one go. Confirm the amount, review the total, and finalize the payment. Your schedule will update right away. And if you ever need more time instead, look for the extend due date option on eligible payments. Availability can vary, and there may be limits, but it's helpful when plans change. That's it. Shop through the app, pick your plan, get an instant decision, manage your schedule, and pay early whenever you're ready. Stay on top of notifications, keep your payment method current, and you'll stay in control from start to finish.